It's the Bitcoin halving year, and this is the Bitcoin halving, and this is what causes the markets to just go pop and blow off like crazy. No, it's liquidity, guys. It's liquidity. When liquidity is drained, we hit the bear markets. When liquidity is pumped, we hit the bull market and the bull run rally, and things go to the moon because liquidity is being pumped into the market like crazy. That's what happens, you guys. And it shows right here. You see this swinging? This is the same. This happens. This chart's going back to 1968. Crypto went around back then, okay? But this is showing you every 4 years the cycles are happening with this. What kind of things happen every 4 years, right? The liquidity, we've got presidential elections, we got all sorts of things like that that are happening, and everything is tied together. Like, you gotta wonder if everything is planned, everything is in cahoots, and I think it is. I'm looking into this and I'm blown away. Comment, let me know, what do you think? Because I think this is crazy. You see, this is where we were at, the black line right here, okay? We go up, we came down, and we're starting to go up. We're at the 20 line here on the index for the global liquidity at 20, and it can go up here. We really could go up all the way up. We never know. I think we're gonna blast right up here, man. Anywhere between 70 and 80 or 70 to 90. I don't know, you guys, but seriously, we're gonna pump right up here really hard. That's what's about to happen. We're at the bottom.